guys, it's December 26 and it's our day 7 of our trip. And it's our last day here in Kyoto. Later, we will be transferring to Tokyo. So we're gonna be moving to a different hotel. And then kami magstay for 3 days before we finally go back to the Philippines. Nakaka-excite because finally we're going to Disneyland or Disney Sea. Hindi pa namin sure kung alin doon yung pupuntahan namin. But at the same time, andun yung feeling na malapit ng matapos yung trip namin. And I don't want it to end personally. Ang sarap dito sa Japan. Ang saya. Ang sarap ng food. Tapos ang babait yung mga tao. Ang ganda-ganda ng experience. So far, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung Kyoto. Nagkagandahan talaga ako sa kanya. Ang dami mong tourist spots na mapupuntahan. So if you want yung parang medyo laid-back feels, dito ka pumunta. And at the same time, hindi naman siya sobrang ganun because meron pa rin areas na maraming malls, maraming lights, maraming maingay, ganun. So, I think yung ibang tao, ginagawa nila sa Osaka sila nag-stay, tapos nagde-day trip lang sila dito. I highly suggest for you to stay here for 2 or 3 nights. Kami, 6 days kami na nandito. And so far, sobrang sulit, sobrang nagustuhan namin, and sobrang na-feel namin yung Kyoto. So, meron pa yung mga tourist spots na hindi namin napuntahan, but we're gonna save that for our future Japan trip na sana makabalik ulit kami dito because I would really want to go back here. So, now, yung mga gamit namin, ayos na namin yung luggage namin papunta ng Tokyo. So, medyo hindi na ganun kasya yung gamit namin. But we have an extra luggage naman. So, hindi pa naman siya ginagamit yung extra namin. Nakapasok, ang ginawa namin, yung 1 luggage namin, nakapasok siya sa bigger luggage. So, morning, Kisha. Ay, wala na. Tinabi na ni daddy mo.
Dad.
Baka nandyan, nandyan yung mga ano. So, now, mag-ready na kami. Hindi man lang ako nakagawa ng get ready with me dito, no? Kasi minsan sobrang puyat. Tapos, hindi ako nagigising ng maaga. Sana sa Tokyo, magawa ko siya kahit isang beses. So, yan. I actually don't have plans yet for Tokyo kung ano yung mga gagawin except for the theme park. So, hopefully, ma-maximize natin yung limited time natin in Tokyo. I'll see you again later, guys. I'm gonna take a bath. Yan yung luggage namin. And ito yung gagamitin namin later ng mga clothes. So, by the way, naglaba pala ako kagabi. Nilaban ko yung mga heat tech. Ayan siya. Dinryer ko naman siya. Kaya lang kasi medyo parang mamasa-masa pa siya. Kaya ginanyan ko siya. Tapos naka-heater kami kahapon. So, yan. Ito yun naman siya.
Hey guys, so right now, my parents are just fixing their stuff. And I'm done doing my makeup. And I'm just waiting for my hair to dry.
Hi guys!
And I dressed up Kyle. And guys, I'll be showing with you my favorite thing. The favorite thing I bought from Lawson. It's this pistachio mousse cake. I got this during our first night, and I got it again because it tasted really good. I think this is it's quite pricey though. It's for 388 yen.
It's kind of spicy.
Pricey? This is mine, no? I'll give you later because you have cough. Oh, you have coffee. So I'll be showing it to you guys. It's really good. There's like this syrup on top, and when you slice it or when you scoop it out, there's like it's like a cake inside. This is so good. I love it so much. Try this when you're here, guys. The pistachio is so good. Hey guys, so we're checking out already. My dad and my mom are like bringing down the luggage, and this is like half of her luggage. Then I see mom. She's going down. So after we check out from Hop In, we'll be riding a bullet train to Tokyo, and we already booked the hotel there. And I'm so excited for Tokyo. It's like the main city here in Japan. So, checking out in Hop In Kyoto. Okay, yeah.
Tokyo, we're gonna take the Shinkansen bullet train. So, ano pala, we're trying to book earlier, pero kahit anong website yung gamitin namin, sinasabi, server error. So, I guess we just have to buy tickets there on the train station. We're gonna ride the bullet train going to Tokyo, and we're just waiting for the train. We're here in the Shinkansen, and meron ditong area where you can put your luggage. So, nagpa-reserve si Daddy. Hey guys, so we're now here in the Shinkansen and we're bound to Tokyo. So we're not able to reserve our tickets beforehand. Kaninang umaga lang kami nagre-reserve, and apparently any website na gamitin namin nagsa-server error siya. So we just decided to go to the Shinkansen station, and doon na nag-purchase ng ticket sila Daddy. So I was not able to take a video nung pagbili ng ticket because nandun ako, kasama ko yung kids, and pati yung mga luggages pinapantayan ko. So wala akong clips noon, but it's very easy. You just have to line up there. May nakalagay naman yung area kung saan ka bibili ng ticket. So very smooth yung ride niya, very spacious din ang seats. Maganda rin yung, malaki din yung legroom niya. Meron siyang table, actually parang siyang plane. Tapos may kita mo yung view on the outside. Going to Kyoto, we also took the Shinkansen. And nakita ko yung Mount Fuji that time. So now, nandito ako sa may right side ng seat going back to Tokyo. So wala ako sa side na pwede kong makita yung Mount Fuji. Like, makikita ko siya, pero medyo malayo ako. So if you're gonna ride the bullet train from Tokyo going to Kyoto, you sit on the right side. Tapos from Kyoto to Tokyo, you sit on the left side. So yun para makita mo yung Mount Fuji. So later, we're gonna transfer to our hotel. We're not able to book in the Shinjuku and Shibuya area because super pricey na yung hotel rates. Since neto lang kami nag-book nung nasa Kyoto na kami. So sana maganda pa rin yung area na napili namin. And ipapakita ko sa inyo later. Hey guys, so we just transferred to our hotel. I think parang hindi to hotel, parang siyang Airbnb, pero we got it from Agoda. And mamaya ko na lang kayo i-room tour kasi medyo nag-ayos-ayos muna kami doon. So mamaya na lang, inuna kong i-laundry yung mga marurumi naming mga undies. Yeah, so we are in SG Premium Kasai, yun yung name niya. Kyle, wait lang, let's wait for them. So, later ko na lang kayo itutour dito sa pinagstayan namin. Parang similar siya dun sa pinagstayan namin sa Korea before. So, self-check-in siya and check-out. Ayan siya. So, parang after mo maka-check-in dyan, may makakausap ka na customer service nila via the iPad lang din. Tapos, siya yung magbibigay ng instruction sa'yo kung ano yung room number mo, kung saan mo makukuha yung key box, something like that. Parang key box number. Dun sa loob ng key box, nandun yung key. Yung susi mo para ma-open mo yung door. Later, i-room tour ko kayo. We are going to Shibuya Crossing and we're just waiting for Tito June, Andre, and Alex. Hindi ba sila yun? Yung nasa labas?
Oh my god, I almost tripped. Shibuya. Shibuya. We're here in Tokyo. Mom. Hey guys, right now we're heading to the train station. We're going to Shibuya Crossing.
We're going to Thailand.
Ay, bad. We're going to Shibuya. Shibuya. Shibuya.
We're going to Thailand.
Bad. are entering this station for today. So everything is quite new to us because #new residents of Tokyo. No.
La 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 la. Not even cold.
Hey guys.
Feeding niya straight to here. Is it a sunny day?
Guys, we're here in the train. We're here at the station. I don't know where we're going. We're going to Shibuya though.
Go eat it. No. Pupilan. Pupilan.
Ang saya, wala kaming luggage. It's so fun to ride the train without a luggage, guys.
The
You feel free.
for free.
Like this video if you think I should leave Kyle in Shibuya. I'm gonna leave you there.
No. Cut
Cut.
911.
Now we're on a different train and I think we're gonna wait for 5 more stations and then we're gonna go down. It's so scary vlogging here, guys. There's like a lot of people looking at me right now, but I'm like trying to be quiet as possible. My mom is over there. That little snowman girl, she's over there. My brother's over there. The very kulit kid. So, see you guys in Shibuya. Hopped up the train at Shibuya. Hopped up the train at Shibuya. Dream my cardigan. Hachiko Square.
I'm waiting for mommy.
Shibuchika. Parang humaching lang. I think we're in Shibuya, fam. Ito na? Wow! Na New York. Shibuya!
Squid Game.
Uy, may Squid Game na today. Guys, release date of Squid Game is today. You wanna watch later?
Picture kay Hachiko at saka sa Shibuya Crossing.
Uy, ang ganda! Ang daming lights! Diba? Mega Don Quixote.
Why, mommy? Mommy, why?
Oh my God! Uy, Kyle, ang laki nung ano, oh.
That is you.
Okay, we're now in Don Quixote. And grabe, I think replica to ni Hachiko. Oh, diba? Meron na siyang basket. Keisha's ready. Let's go, guys. Let's start. Keisha, let's do the Shibuya crossing again, ha? I'm thinking na to buy muna. Let's do the crossing. What do you think? Or give na lang natin kay Daddy later, yung pinamili natin.
Sige, cross na tayo.
Hindi, mamaya na. Sige, let's do it na. Hello! Hi! Good. So, we're gonna start shopping.
Saan muna?
Parang ano siya, shopping haven. Oh, this one! Hey!
1.6?
kaya itong mga to? Kung minsan hindi mo din naman alam kung ano sila. Yung Kiss Me Heroin Mix. So, we've got that one. And pati yung mascara nila maganda. So, here we have the Tear Tear. Ayan siya. So, let's try yung shades. Feeling ko ito ko, Natural Ivory. 21 ano yan? W.
Same ka rin ba? 21W ka rin.
21N. I'll get this one. 3.5 na lang siya. Isang set siya nitong Mask Fit Red Cushion. Tsaka yung Mask Fit Makeup Fixer over there. This one is the shade chart. Ayan siya. So, ito yung pinili ko. 21. I know, this one. 21N. Si Alex, she's wearing, ano nga yung sa'yo, Alex? Sorry. Full Ivory. 21C. Parang feeling ko, dito yung ano, yung parang mga naka-ano-ano siya, pero sa taas yung madami. Nasaan? We have here the Chubaki shampoo. This one, Premium Volume and Repair. Tapos the other one, Kisha, para saan yung ano, yung red? Which one is better? Parang parehas na kasi. Ha?
Smooth and moisturize the hair.
This one.
Dry and...
Ha?
Wait, that's... Soften and volumize your hair.
I want this.
Dry, that's for dry and flat hair. Yung blue, parang may menthol siya.
Wait, bibiling ko ba ito? Ang laki. Baka magalit sa akin, daddy mo. I want that one. The blue one. Okay, so let's look for shampoo. And honey, Kisha. Sigurado ka hindi magagalit sa atin daddy mo, ah. Ay, this one, dry shampoo, $3.98. Parang gusto ko rin yung isa pa. Let's try natin. Silang dalawa. This one. Magalit sa atin si daddy pag mabigat yung bubuhati niya siya. Let's buy this one, 3D comb. Bilhin ko pa ba ito? Kalokohan silang ito. Huwag na. Joke lang. I won't get it. So, yung bata, medyo parang hindi niya malaman yung gagawin niya. Ha? Let's try muna itong mga to. Oh, pang may color. This one, Honey Pixie. Yung ginamit ko kanina yung parang orange. Pag pumunta kayo dito, parang kailangan yung mag-allot ng one whole day para maikot nyo itong Don Quixote. Umiikot ka aisle by aisle. Ano yung magandang makeup ng Japan? Can make? Wait. Parang iba yung vibe mo ngayon. Huh? Parang nasa shopping mode ka.
Really? Uy, oh.
Ano?
Pang white na ngipin.
White teeth pack. How much? You check muna yung price. Wait.
Oh my God. I'm in my element right now.
Kasi may one only.
Wait, where did you find the and honey?
Diyan lang. Isa lang yan. Not there. Dun sa may likod. Ha?
Nakita ko to. Pero gusto ko yung ano, yung ganito siya.
Nasaan kaya siya? Baka sa taas. Ayaw. We're going back to the hotel. Actually, it's not a hotel. Hindi ko nga alam kung ano tawag sa kanya. Parang Airbnb siya na hindi. Or baka Airbnb yun. Medyo malayo lang siya here in Shibuya. Doon siya sa may Kasay area. Uy, merong ano ng Philippines. So, Cebu. Manila. Cebu in Manila. Nakaka-proud. Proud Pinoy! Kababayan, where are you? Pinoy.
Guys, there were so much people in Don Quixote that were Filipino. Like, ang daming kababayan, nakaka-proud.
Kababayan! Kababayan! Mga kababayan ko. Alam niyo ba yun? Hindi niyo alam yun.
Ito ang awitin ko.
Tama ba? Nagugutom ako, hindi pa tayo kumakain. Guys, di pa kami nag-dinner. Nag-snacks lang kami kanina pagka-check-in namin. Tapos, pagdating namin ng Shibuya, diretso kami sa Don Quixote. And then after, bumalik kami sa Shibuya Crossing. Nag-picture-picture kami ni Keisha. So, I'm so hungry right now. Yeah, reasonable price. Dad, lalo na pag compared mo sa Sephora. Sobrang laki ng difference. Mga 1/4 siya ng Sephora. May gusto ni Tito Jut mag-tiktok ka sa Shibuya Crossing. Dad, ang gulo ni Kyle.
Do something. Look at me.
He lost his beanie.
You see?
He lost his beanie, Daddy. Kakapakain sila kung bababa tayo o hindi. 15 na. We're back now in Kasai area. So, yung hotel namin, walking distance lang siya from here. So, if you're going to Shibuya, medyo malayo tong hotel namin. Yeah, but still, you'll just ride the train and makakarating ka rin naman sa Shibuya. Same.
Have you guys tried the...
Oh, so this is a local grocery here in Kasai area. Uy, strawberry! Ang laki! Ay,
You know in US, ang mura ng strawberry.
sobra. $2, $2 to $4. Tapos, ang laki. Malaki, marami eh. Marami na malaki. Girls and boys? Girls and boys o one lang? Ano ba yan? Ha? Uwi natin sa atin? Kakainin mo ngayon. Yung Arizona steak natin. First Calpies. Naghanap ako ng Calpies. Ay, ayun siya. Pero ang laki. Ayun siya, pero malaki. Wala bang small lang? See what we can buy here. Grabe, I'm gonna miss Japan. Now I know bakit yung mga pumupunta dito, bumabalik-balik sila. But I also miss Korea. I wanna go to Korea again. Oh man, ano ba yung hanapin ko? Nice. Self-checkout. US Feels. Open it! Open it! Kasha ba? Maraming ganap dito. Ito may laundry. Naglaba nga po ako eh. Nilaban ko yung mga medyas tsaka yung mga underwear. Tsaka ano, kahapon naglaba ako kagabi. Tapos nilaban ko po kagabi. Kaya lang yung parang ano siya, hindi siya sobrang tuyo. So, sinampay ko siya sa may dryer din po. Ano tito, pag naglaba po kayo, parang 300 yen. Yung sa hotel po, meron. Opo, tapos, pag i-dryer mo pa siya. Pag ganito tito, ang tawag po dyan? B&B.
Aparte nito.
Aparte.
Okay.
Yung kanina, yung kasunod natin. Hindi sila nahirapan. Kuha nga ako nito. Kanina pa. Let's go. Let's go. Uwi na. We have menu in English. Credit cards welcome. Yeah. So here, this is the restaurant. And meron talaga silang areas like this. Parang katulad sa Ichiran.
Tomorrow, we're going to the theme park, and until now, hindi namin alam kung sa Disneyland pa or sa Disney Sea kami pupunta. Pagka ako'y masusunod, gusto ko both. Pwede bang half day sa Disneyland? Tapos full day Disney Sea. Hindi ko alam eh. Ayoko na, gusto ko half day Disneyland. Gusto ko yung fireworks.
Guys, let's see. Disney Sea.
Up. Disney Sea.
Disney Sea.
Yeah, okay.
Guys, we're going to Disney Sea.
Yay! Kapag yung half day sa Disneyland, gusto ko yung makita yung fireworks.
Can I check here?
Tingnan mo nga, sa mismo website
ng
Disneyland.
Okay, so pork tail with cheese.
Yes, that.
Yes, kami ni Ma.
No, mismo Disneyland. Meron akong app. Kailangan matuto na kayo mag-navigate ng app kasi mag-app tayo bukas yung katulad sa US.
So this is Kyle's order. Dad, what's this? For baby Kyle.
Chicken, curry.
So Kyle got this one. He got the hamburger chicken curry. It has corn, fries. Oh, you're like a baby. You're like a baby. He also has an apple juice, jelly. Daddy, Google Lens mo nga to. What's this? Big boy Kyle. You know, Kyle, your Instagram, it's baby Kyle figuration. I'll change it to big boy Kyle figuration. Okay?
36,400. Tignan mo muna sa kung magkano.
Dad, what's your order?
Pork curry with vegetables.
Pork curry with vegetables. That's ano right, Daddy? Yung pork na ginagamit sa tonkatsu. Yes. So healthy. So, Mommy's here. She's booking our tickets for Disney. Guys, we're going to Disney Sea. No.
13,674 pesos. Magkano yung 36,400?
Bukas ka rin cheese rin.
Daddy, I took
Thank
pictures
you.
of Elsa in Disneyland.
Here's mine. This has cheese. Pork curry with cheese. Mommy and I got the same thing because we're low-key the same person. They provide spoons here because it's curry and it's going to be hard to eat with chopsticks. So thank you, Coco Ichibana, for this.
Thank you.
May kain na ako ah.
Oh, yeah.
That's cheese. Yummy.
Tokyo Disney is Tokyo Disney Sea one last December.
You say what you said earlier.
Itadala niya ako sa cuteness niya. Guys, ang sarap ng food, ng curry. I'm not really a fan of curry, pero nagustuhan ko naman siya. Medyo, yun lang. Nagustuhan ko naman siya. Okay naman.
Nasa highway ka.
Yeah. We're arranged oldest to youngest.
Grabe naman. Alam mo yung mga palabas, yung may 7-Eleven na Pinoy. Yes. Okay guys, let's go in. Every night, bago bumalik ng hotel, nagko-convene kami. Yes. First time to go here. Oh, ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Wow! Daddy found yung yung masarap na na chips.
Cheese, ano ba yung binili?
Ayun, yun siya.
May cash po. O kaya tayo ng smoothie ulit.
Oh! Yeah, I want something. Like, yung iniinom ni JM. Nasa na yun? Wala na yung mga drinks na iba. Ha? Coins meron. Coins. Meron coins. Ang daming food dito sa 7-Eleven nila. Sana ganito din sa atin sa Philippines, di ba? Coffee. Ay, ito hot siguro ito. Oh, ito mga hot. Hot siya. Color red eh. Daddy got this one. Strawberry, blueberry, candies. And ito, yung masarap na chips. Caramel corn and yung parang cheese corn. Smoothie ulit siya. Saan mo nakuha yung smoothie, Dad? Hindi ko siya nakita.
Video me.
Hindi ko siya nakita.
Can you video me?
Ito si... Daddy, saan mo siya nakita? Sa dulo.
Oh my
Video
God!
nga.
3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Hello guys, we're in 7-Eleven and we're going, what's this again?
Smoothie.
I'm going to drink smoothie. Let's go. This is 7. Let's go guys.
Press it again.
And then push.
Push. Look at this, guys. Look at this.
What's happening?
It's getting far.
Mamili ko, may bagong feature. Ano? Pause.
Dati ba wala?
Wala.
Wala ba dati?
Yeah.
Bilis, bilis. Careful. You're gonna get the cover.
Yay! Come here. You try your smoothie. Hey, you're vlogging.
Alright.
Yan, it's okay na. Try it. Yep. Is it good?